this is Dave here, and today I'm going to show you how to install and configure RazorCart for the first time. So I have a brand new installation of DNN 9, and I'm going to go to the extensions page and click install extension. We got the new drag and drop. Love it. Go through the wizard. And installed successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the RazorCart admin console and set up a store. Now, you don't need to add the admin console to a page. It's accessible right off the DNN admin menu. Refresh here. There it is. Okay, so RazorCart admin console. Okay, so for the first time, you're going to want to create a new store, and I will call it Dave's Store. Okay, so I created my new store. Now I'm going to add the modules to the page. So I'll exit the console, and I want to create 3 new pages. I'm just going to add the core modules, the product listing, the checkout, and the product details. So I'm going to add multiple pages, and I'm going to add the listing page, the checkout, and the details. Okay, so there's my 3 pages. So now I'm going to start adding the modules. Go into edit mode. Get rid of this HTML module. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Okay, when you first load the module, it's going to automatically bring you to the settings so you don't forget. But I'm going to go ahead and configure. So I'll choose the store that I just set up, the product details page, and the checkout page. And then on the product listing, you can choose, there's a few settings here like configuring the pager, how many products you want per page, and how many pages you want displayed for in the pager. And use mini cart is when you click add to cart, you have the choice to stay on the product listing page. If you check this, you need to add the mini cart to the page, and then when you click add to cart, it'll stay on the product listing page and just update the mini cart. If you do not have this checked, then it just automatically takes you to the cart page for checkout. So just go with the basic settings for now. Okay, and there's a little message. I need to go back into the settings and configure tax and shipping my store. Okay, so I'm going to go to the checkout page and add the checkout module. Get rid of that HTML module. Checkout. So each module has pretty much the same settings. You have to tell it which store, because you can run multiple stores within a portal. And then where's the product listing and where's the product details page. Those are pretty much going to be standard on all the modules. And then last but not least, the details. Use mini cart is pretty much the same behavior I just described on the listing page, and then show reviews. If it will show if you want to allow customers to review products in your store, it will enable, checking this box will enable that feature. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the admin console and configure my store settings. Okay, so the store name, and I'll just give your store address and the currency that you want to use. Whoops. Okay. Email setup. So the from email is where, when somebody buys from the store, what's the email address that it's going to be sent from. So we'll just put orders at mystore.com. And 2, this is going to be just like a CC. Every order, the customer is going to get an email, and then also the admin of the store, and this is who you want to get copied on that email. So we'll just say admin at mystore.com. Cart and checkout, I went through all these settings in another video, so I'm just going to take the defaults. You can take the defaults, and the defaults will be good for a basic store setup. But I go over these settings in the introduction to RazorCart video that's already posted on YouTube and on our website. And then you can enable the wish list. So let's save that. So those are the basic settings. I'm going to go to set up payment method. So you have to have a minimum of one payment method. So you want to make it active, and I'll just call it credit card. This is what's displayed to the user, and then you just choose the type. These are our built-in. We have all these payment methods available. We'll just go with the basic credit card for right now. Your gateway, we have authorized.net and PayPal standard built in, and then manual is allows the user to check out. We collect all the credit card information, but it does not process. And RazorCart supports custom payment gateways, so you can plug in any gateway you want. So we went that route instead of, supporting, there's hundreds of payment gateways. You can, we just supported the two biggest ones, Auth.net and PayPal, and then you can plug in any gateway you want. I believe we have Stripe as an add-on extension, custom gateway on our website as well. So we'll just go manual for right now. And then we want to accept all these card types. And test mode is just used for if you selected, a real gateway. Usually that means go through the either the sandbox or the live. So these are that's the basic payment method setup. Shipping, just go with basic shipping for right now. Shipping and handling setup. Let's go flat tax on all orders, 8%, 8.75. And then you're going to want to set up an email template for the email to go out. So and I'll set up the admin as well. So you can have different email templates based on, the go to the user or the admin. And we give you a, nice looking default email template, and then you can modify this with tokens. Invoice templates is you can actually print an invoice from the admin manage order details, and then also the user can print the invoice from the My Accounts module as well. So you want to go in and add an invoice template. The default one looks pretty good, but you can modify it. The license, you're going to want to put in your license, unless you're running a trial. And that's the basic setup. Let's go ahead and add a product so we can test the checkout. I think that's pretty much the basics. Okay, so let's go test the checkout. And this little copy button right here is handy to copy if your shipping and billing is the same. It's a test credit card. Confirmation. There it is. Completed successfully. So that's a basic setup of the RazorCart from scratch. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please email us at support or sales@smithconsulting.com. Thank you.